Today I'm trying Filipino food. We're starting with the thing that looks almost like an empanada roll. The lumpia Shanghai. I gotta try with a little salsita. Oh my, so good, so crispy. I could literally have like 20 of these. Oh. Lechon kawali, which really just, it's giving Medellin chicharrón. If y'all know, y'all know. Comes with this little sauce. I don't know about the sauce. I was wrong. This sauce, it just makes it. Holy Colombians, don't think you're the only one with some bomb chicharrón because Filipinos ain't playing. I'm trying to open this sinigang soup. This is really giving like costilla sopa, and that's literally the only sopa I like. Wow, this is levanta muerto vibes. You know, after a good hangover, this would have me up. Let's try it with the beef. Stop eating pho when you're hungover. Come get you some sinigang soup. You're welcome. Filipino spaghetti. This got a whole little sausage in it. Oh my God. I feel like someone's mom really made this. Wow. How is it kind of sweet, but like so tomatoey. Now for the star of the show, chicken adobo. I got half rice, half pancit noodles. Is that how you say it? If you have never had Filipino food, let this be God speaking to you. The sazon in this chicken, it really has me shaking. Let me try the noodles with it. I don't know what these little vegetables are. They're amazing. The pork sising, I think that's how you say it. This is the kind of food that makes you want to twerk. Comment what food I should try.